What's up, everybody? It's me, Christy, and today we are doing gumbo. Gumbo is from one of my most favorite cities, New Orleans, Louisiana. And it's one of my favorite dishes. So today I'm going to show you how to make this from beginning to end, and I'm going to have the recipe in the comment box below. So we're gonna get started with our roux. Now we're gonna make this roux. This is the base of your gumbo. You're gonna take flour and oil. I personally like to use bacon grease. Mix it up, put it in the oven on 400, start at 30 minutes, and let it go. No standing over the stove, just super duper easy. Now you can stop here, but I like mine dark and chocolatey. Next, you're gonna take your holy trinity, which is gonna be your bell pepper, your onion, and your celery. You're gonna clean your meat, which today we're gonna use shrimp, chicken, and sausage, and we're gonna get to chopping up. So we're starting off with our celery. Now, I bought pre-cut celery, but you're welcome to use any kind of celery that you like. I like mine to be a medium thickness, but hey, if you like yours chunkier, make it chunkier. If you like yours finer, put it in a food processor. That's probably what I should have did because I was chopping for quite a long time, but that's okay. It's actually gonna soften up because you're gonna cook your gumbo low and slow for about an hour. Now, something interesting, this bowl that I have here off to the side, that's my trash bowl. It just makes it really easy when I'm cooking to put everything in one place and empty the bowl later on. I got that from Rachel Ray. Now, keep in mind, this is the way I do gumbo. There's really no wrong way to do gumbo. As long as you make it with love, that's all you need. I wasn't sure if I wanted to add more onion, but I love onion, so I decided to do just a little bit more. Next, you're gonna cut up your smoked sausage. This is an amazing smoked sausage. Now, New Orleans typically use andouille, but I've lived in Alabama for over 10 years, and my favorite sausage is Conecuh sausage. You can never go wrong with Conecuh sausage. Lastly, you're gonna cut up your chicken. Now, I use chicken thighs because chicken thighs, they're juicy, they're full of flavor, they don't get dry, and it's honestly just really, really good. So I saved this for last because this board is now contaminated, and you do not wanna get salmonella, right? So, cut up your chicken, sanitize your board, come back and season it with some Cajun seasoning and garlic, and just let it set for a little while. Now you're gonna take that good roux and you're gonna put it in a stock pot. You need a big pot because this is gonna make a lot of gumbo. Then you add in your holy trinity and you just stir, stir, stir. You add your smoked sausage and you stir, stir, stir. Next, you're going to add beef broth. Now, some people use chicken stock. Use what you have. That is the great thing about gumbo. You use what you have on hand. I had a can of tomatoes. I added that to it as well. It's already looking good. Now you're gonna add your seasonings. Now I add onion powder, garlic powder, Cajun seasoning, which I love, slap your mama, and Tabasco. Not pictured is thyme. I added that later on. And bay leaves. Yes, bay leaves. Bay leaves just give it such a depth of flavor. Now don't forget, you will need to take those out before you serve it. Put the top on, let it go for an hour, and you have gumbo. Now, you may have noticed that I didn't add shrimp because shrimp take literally 10 seconds to cook. So you can add it maybe a couple minutes before you're about to serve it, and you have some good eating, baby. I like to serve my gumbo with a nice hot bit of rice or garlic bread. Fry up some chicken and we have a great meal. Thanks for watching. Bye.